Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to get a library card from the Eugene Public Library. First step is to go to the Eugene Public Library website at eugene/or.gov. The next thing you want to do once you get to the public website is to scroll down past all of the information to get a library card. You want to click on that, and it brings you to the page to show you how to get or renew a library card. It will give you information about if library cards are free, which they are, how to get one, and you sign up by calling the number or signing up in person at any library location. By phone, you call for the free library card, and within 30 days, you'll need to visit in person to show a government ID and proof of address. When you do it in person, you visit any library location, and you will need to show a government-issued photo ID and a proof of address. This would be an Oregon driver's license or ID. You could also click on Other Accepted Documents, and it shows you what you can have, such as a driver's license, government-issued ID card, official student ID, military ID, passport, and proof of what is used for proof of home address, such as an unexpired driver's license with current home address, unexpired Oregon ID card, dated personal mail, utility bill, bank statements, and a few others. Thank you for watching this screencast.